The Mini Carver
Sure.
is lead screw driven, equipped on the X and the Y with anti-backlash nuts. You know, for the layperson that's just now looking, at CNC and stuff, what is the anti-backlash?
Well, what you have is when you have lead screws, one of the kind of the disadvantages with them is that you can get wear between the threads and the the nut and the screw part of it. So what they do, what an anti-backlash nut does, is it's actually two individual nuts, and they put a little spring tension between them. Obviously, you don't want to put too much spring tension, or it will cause your nut to wear excessively. But you put a little bit in that there, so as it wears, you still have a little bit of tension, meaning it's preloaded, so that you shouldn't get those backlashes where it was just a simple nut.